Thank you for tuning into the Mad Rapper Show. I'm your host, the Mad Rapper, and today we are talking about a Nevada woman that moved to California, tripped over a flip-flop, and fell off a cliff. Now, when I first heard this story, I was giddy. I was laughing. Like, I thought it was funny. Until I actually watched this, and I'm going to show you guys, and then I'll talk to you about what my issue is with this.
It's a view that police in San Pedro say a woman accidentally died for. Investigators say the 21-year-old climbed over this wall Friday to get a closer look at the ocean below. She was with friends and wearing flip-flops when they say she accidentally tripped while trying to take a photo, plummeting roughly 100 feet onto the rocks below.
That's sad. That's sad. It could have been me.
Terry Brown watched as firefighters removed the woman's body. Investigators say the woman had just moved to Los Angeles from Reno, Nevada, and came to Point Fermin Park on her first full day in California to take a photo of the Pacific. Brown says she herself has climbed over the 3-foot wall to get better views, but no longer.
Because it's dangerous, people dying.
Earlier this month, the bodies of a man and woman were discovered at the bottom of the same stretch of cliffs in what police believe was a similar accident. Not including suicides, fire officials say about a dozen people a year accidentally fall to their deaths.
Use common sense. That's shifting ground there.
Teresa Wood lives near the cliff and says she's seen several deadly accidents there over the years. She worries visitors don't realize the danger of climbing over the walls to get to the edge and wants more signs warning people not to do it.
I'm not sure people would necessarily adhere to them, but I don't think it's a bad idea.
Stephen Garcia says his father's friend recently died after accidentally falling off the same cliff. Another example of how this stunning scenery can give way to sorrow.
It's expected, like every time there's cops here, everyone knows someone fell or died.
Again, right now, investigators say that woman's death was an accident. Her friends called 911 after she fell, stunned that her first day in California would turn out to be her last. In San Pedro, Peter Dowd, KCAL 9 News.
All right, so you guys see, you got all the facts from the news people. So evidently she stepped over the 3-foot wall, was about to take a picture of the ocean, and tripped over a flip-flop and fell off the 100-foot cliff. Now, I'm afraid of heights, so this does bother me a lot. Just thinking about somebody falling. If I was in that same location, I wouldn't have been able to then get close to the 3-foot wall. I'm that much of a bitch. But I would have definitely not stepped over that and failed. Now, is she dumb for doing this? A little bit. But at a certain point, we have to realize that a lot of people don't understand physics. A lot of people don't understand how close you are to not being here anymore. She was 21, had a whole life ahead of her. It was her first day in fucking California, and she wanted to do that shit, and one mistake fucked up her life completely. I think it's the city's fault. Whatever city this happened in, they should be held accountable, because for the simple fact that when you watch that newsreel, this ain't like an isolated incident. Like, they wasn't like, oh, this girl fell. The last person that died here was in 1957. It was old Bill Hancock. What the fuck? Numerous people died there. But they have a little fence because, you know, not even a fence, whatever the fuck that was, little wall, because they want it to be pretty. It's a tourist attraction, it's pretty. But those signs that they got up, what the fuck, nigga? Make a 6-foot, like, chain link fence or some shit. Like, we gotta save the people from being stupid. Sometimes you gotta save people from being dumb. You can't just think, oh, well, we put some signs up and people should have common sense. I heard the lady in the newsreel talk about, people gotta use common sense. Motherfuckers ain't got common sense, okay? She ain't got common sense. She didn't know. It was her first day, man. She was excited. She may have never ever seen some shit like that in her life. It was her first day in Cali. She was like, nigga, I see the motherfucking ocean. I'm gonna step over this wall, walk about 5 feet, get a closer view of the ocean. And she was zooming in, that shit started getting closer and closer, and she was like, wait a minute, this must be super zoom. The bitch, you're falling. But I definitely think the city or the state should be held accountable for this. They definitely need a larger structure in which to stop people from getting too close to the cliff. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can see the story. Whether you agree or disagree, comment below and let me know. I'm the Mad Rapper, and I'm out. I'm the mad rapper, I speak the truth, I let it flow. If you got an opinion, comment below and let me know. If you like, please hit subscribe and tell all your friends about the Mad Rapper Show.